Hey my friends, welcome back to Vectorial. I'm so glad you're here with me again today. This is the fourth video in our special vector design series, and in this lesson, we're going to create a fresh and colorful apple vector inside Adobe Illustrator. But before we dive in, let me just say you're not just viewers, you're part of this journey. Every video I make takes hours of sketching, designing, recording, and editing. I do it because I love sharing my knowledge. I love helping you grow as designers, and I truly believe that creativity is something we can build together. But to keep this channel alive and growing, I also need your support. That's why we started our Patreon page. And it's not just about supporting me, it's about opening new doors for you as well. As a patron, you can download this exact Apple vector file we'll be creating today. You'll also get access to all the previous vectors from this series, like the potato, the banana, the orange, and more to come. I'm also sharing exclusive premium vector packs that you won't find anywhere else. Plus, you'll get early access to my tutorials before they're released on YouTube. So when you decide to support me on Patreon, you're not just helping this channel survive, you're investing in your own design journey. Your contribution motivates me to keep creating, and it gives you the tools to build your skills, projects, and portfolio even faster. And if you've been wondering, does my small contribution really make a difference? I promise you, it makes a world of difference. Every new patron is a spark of encouragement, proof that what we're building here matters. If you enjoy this series and want it to continue, the best ways to help are simple. Hit the like button, it helps more people discover these tutorials. Leave me a comment, I love hearing your thoughts and feedback. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lessons. And if you're ready to take the next step and truly be part of this creative family, consider joining me on Patreon. The link is in the description. To all of you who are already patrons, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, your support keeps me going. And together, we're building something beautiful. All right, let's get into today's tutorial. Open up Illustrator, and let's bring this apple vector to life. This is just the beginning. More exciting designs are coming, so stick with me on this creative journey.